You've probably read a lot about the tremendous benefits offered by apple cider vinegar. However, you probably have not read all of them. Today, we will explore 10 ways how a sip of apple cider vinegar before bedtime will help you. 1. Weight loss. Many studies have shown that there is a strong link between obesity and sleep deprivation. As a matter of fact, the more weight a person has, the more sleep problems they will experience. Apple cider vinegar contains pectin, a compound that provides a feeling of fullness, reduces appetite and prevents fat buildup. 2. Treat a sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful antibacterial agent that will remove all the bacteria in your body, including those responsible for a sore throat. Just swallow 1 teaspoon of ACV an hour before going to bed, then swallow another one in 30 minutes and finish the process with another teaspoon of ACV just before going to bed. Repeat the process until you notice improvements. 3. Hiccups will be gone. Apple cider vinegar can stimulate the nerves of the throat responsible for hiccup due to its bitter taste. This will make the nerves forget the need for hiccups. Take 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar and swallow it. 4. Treatment of acid reflux. What makes apple cider vinegar an effective treatment for acid reflux is its ability to restore acidity in the intestine. Simply mix a tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water and drink 1 hour before bedtime. 5. Relieves stuffy nose. Apple cider vinegar contains vitamins B1, B2, A and E, as well as potassium and magnesium. These work together to thin the mucus and clean the sinuses. Mix a teaspoon of ACV with a glass of water and drink before going to bed for quick relief. 6. Reduces blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar increases sensitivity to insulin, which in turn reduces blood sugar levels in the body. To keep your blood sugar levels under control, take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar before bed on a regular basis. Note, if you use diabetes medications, you should consult your doctor before using apple cider vinegar. 7. Reduction of nocturnal leg cramps. Sharp pain in the legs makes you stay up all night? This most likely pain is caused by a lack of potassium. Apple cider vinegar contains a healthy serving of potassium that will restore your body's balance. Mix 2 tablespoons of ACV with a glass of warm water and drink before bed every night to reduce cramps. 8. Bad breath. The bacteria in the mouth may be the reason for your bad breath in your mouth. As we said before, ACV can kill bacteria, thus keeping your mouth fresh. You should take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before bedtime. 9. Prevention of indigestion. Apple cider vinegar can help you forget the sleepless night caused by your stomach upset. You will no longer have problems with cramps and gas. Mix 1 teaspoon of organic ACV with a cup of warm water and drink before bedtime. 10. Reducing stomach pain. Sleeping with the upset stomach is almost impossible, so the next time you are faced with such a problem, you should drink a mixture of 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of organic LCA that will relieve discomfort.